Little bit late today. Just now I've taken short trade in Axis Bank at 683.80. Stop loss is placed at 684.05. Very low stop loss, anticipating double top in Bank Nifty also. And there is a good resistance here in Axis Bank. So let's see what happens. Let us track the movement in 1 minute time frame. Just 5 paisa left for my stop loss. We can see there is a presence of sellers here, here, and here. So I do expect they will act very sharply and it will fall. And we can see the effect of selling pressure here, as discussed earlier. In 1 minute, it looks like a good fall, but on 5 minutes, nothing. So wait, let's see. It has to break this first support. Okay, finally the support has been broken with increasing volume. If it closes below, then we'll place my target at 678.75. Let's say this candle closing is important now. Approaching fast towards the target earlier than expected. A very good fall I could catch today. Without taking my target, it is going up, but it is going up to get sold once again. The seller in this candle will show their power now. It's showing tremendous volatility. After this quick fall, it went up again, took the resistance from same level and coming down. Again broken this support. So it would break this low. And then earlier my target was around 678. Now I may shift it down because Bank Nifty is also coming down. Let's see. Okay, finally it is about to break this last support. Place target order at 677.05. Totally a ping pong game going on. At least it has made now lower high, low low structure. So I think now this low needs to be broken. I think now only the last leg is remaining in this lower high, low low structure. Time is a big concern now. Okay, because of time concern, I have trailed my stop loss to now 680.05, which were on 1:15 risks rewarded. Okay, the trailing stop loss is hit. Certainly, Bank Nifty has given reversal, and here also Axis Bank has given reversal. So this was overall 1:15 risk rewarded in Axis Bank. Let's understand the logic behind today's Axis Bank trade. On daily time frame chart, overall on major time frame, it is actually bouncing back from its good demand zone. But if we see critically on a little bit of shorter span, it has broken this support, and these supports which were swing lows in uptrend. So little bit of bearishness right now. So here we need to find some resistance to short. Any reason, good reason to short. So this gap created between these two candles can be treated as a resistance. This is low of this candle and high of this candle. So these are the two levels where we can see a resistance. On 21st of December, it opened in between these two levels and suddenly fall back. So this is also one of the crucial level. So these three levels were there as a reference. So on a 5-minute time frame, since morning it was going up, but at this location, it created a bearish candle. Now in uptrend on a intraday time frame, if it is going up, so at day high, it should have formed a green candle. It created a red candle. So this was the first confirmation that these lines or levels can act as a resistance, but this was not a sufficient evidence because this should have happened with a greater volume. So I went into 3-minute time frame to reconfirm. So this is typical evening star pattern, what we call it. So this candle became with the increasing volume. Also, this following candle happened with increasing volume. So this was a evidence that sellers are activated here. Again, this pair of bearish candle happened with increasing volume. This pair happened with increasing volume. Also, this pair happened with increasing volume. So certainly in this area, sellers were activated. So my hypo proved to be right, and I was in search of right level to short. So this candle high was 684. Now this was the last close by bulls, and they could not break above. So this I suppose was a good level to short. So I kept my sell order here at 683.80, just 20 paisa below as a buffer. And stop loss was just above this level, 84.05, because if bulls could break this resistance, they could have gone up very easily. So the reason for a low stop loss, little bit of aggressive trade it was. Actually, my target was 678.75, which was 1:20 risk reward trade. But in between, when it went up very aggressively and again came back, then I decided to move my target to 677. So this was my second target, a revised target. But here price stalled and there was no time left. So I trailed my stop loss to 680 level, and finally I got exited at 680.15, which was around 1:15 risk reward ratio trade. I hope you understood the trade and the logic behind selecting the stocks. Thank you.